This is my DeWALT DCD 771 half-inch cordless keyless drill driver. I had it probably almost 2 years now, and I'm starting to experience this typical issue that when you put torque on the bit, the chuck loosens up and the bit ends up coming out. And you tighten it extra tight and it still does the same thing, whether it's in forward or reverse. What I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to try a couple of remedies. The first remedy is to get some compressed air and blow out what I can as far as the internals and see if that remedies the problem. As well as I got an old toothbrush and try to brush those teeth inside and appearances and give it a try and see if that helps. As you see here, those quick remedies of blowing it out and brushing internals didn't work, so now I've ordered a replacement chuck and I'm in the process of removing the original chuck. I was surprised this chuck was really torqued in there, and it took some effort after effort to finally break that torque loose in order to get it to spin off. Go ahead, hit it like it owes you some money. Hit it. Hit it. There you go. Hit it. With all this, I might be buying a new drill in the future, in the near future at that. What the? What? Wow, once I broke the torque, I was so into it until I didn't realize it for a moment there. Here's a note for you. When I ordered this replacement chuck, I ordered it for the DCD 771 DeWALT Cordless drill. The part number that's stamped on the chuck itself that I received was 1840. However, looking at the number that was stamped on the original chuck, it was 1717. And you can see there's a slight difference. The one on the right is the original one. It's a little more bulkier and a little bit more heavier, and the nose is a little bit longer on it. So even though I asked for the equivalent replacement, there is a difference here. Now, whether that's part of a second aftermarket manufacturer or what, I'm not sure. But I'm going to only use this around the house and for DIY projects, so I'm not really that concerned about that. For this video for replacement of the chuck, I just wanted to make that notation for clarity. Success. After all that banging, the drill still works and the chuck is holding the bit. With all the banging I impose on this, one recommendation I would make is if you have to do this yourself when replacing your drill chuck, I would take the battery off, because these lithium batteries are very sensitive to bangs and falls. So that might be something you might want to consider.